So today is Guru Purab, and I've been inspired by the greatest teachers, mankind has known. I love reading about them, learning from them, and I believe that's something everybody should imbibe. It's a beautiful quality. So today is Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday, so happy Guru Purab to everybody out there. Not just my Sikh friends, but everybody. I believe some of the greatest teachers belong to all of us. They don't just belong to one community. And I'm reminded of one thing which I want to share with you. So one of the most powerful teachings of Guru Nanak Ji is, he said, there's a beautiful quote. He says, what should a yogi be afraid of? And I believe all of us are yogis deep down. He says, what should a yogi be afraid of? What is outside? So what is in the plants? So what is in the trees? What is outside is the same thing within us. So what he's trying to say is, all of us are one. We are made from the same elements, and we should not fear anything. And based on this, back in the day, this is before planes, before cars, before all sorts of modern transportations, he went on an adventure, he went on a journey, and he visited Saudi Arabia, he visited Iran, he visited Tibet, he visited China, just spreading his message. And before he went, so many people around him told him, do you really want to go to Saudi Arabia? Do you really want to go to Iran? These places, they don't follow Sikhism. He says, it doesn't matter, we are all human beings. And he went there, he shared his message, of peace, of love, of compassion, of living life without an ego, because we are all one. And they welcomed him, they exchanged ideas, and that's the beauty of it. No matter what you're doing, let go of your fears, because your fears are what hold you back. Anything you want to do today, go out and do it. What's the worst that will happen? Nothing. And that's the same thing. That's why if you see the Indian military, the Indian armed forces, a lot of our best fighters, in the army are Sikhs, because that's there, living life without fear. So whether you want to do business, whether you want to get a job, whether you want to do anything, you gotta live life without fear. So once again, happy Guru Purab. Learn from the greatest teachers, have a lot of fun, spend time with your family, and enjoy yourself, guys.